Science!
Too far! Oh, sorry. Hello, and welcome to Matt Morgan's Science Show. Today, we're going to be learning about where the sun is, what the sun is, why we have night and day, and why time never stops. Oh, it's time for Matt Morgan's 5 Fun Fast Facts. Number 1, over 1 million Earths could fit inside the sun. Number 2, it takes 8 minutes for light to reach the Earth from the sun. Number 3, temperature inside the sun can reach 15 million degrees Celsius. Number 4, the sun is classified as a yellow dwarf star. Number 5, there wouldn't be any life on Earth without the sun. The sun causes seasons, currents in the ocean, weather and climates. It's time for the experiment. We're going to be making your very own sundial. Sundials were used by people long ago to tell the time, back before the iPhone was invented. It uses shadows cast by the sun to tell what hour it is. Ready? Let's get making! To make your very own sundial, you will need a piece of paper, a plate, 2 markers, a big ball of blue tack, a custard tart. No, this is for lunch. Sorry. First thing you need to do is get your paper and draw around your plate. Next, grab the big ball of blue tack and press it firmly onto the paper in the middle of the circle. And last thing you need to do is take one of the markers and stick it really firmly into the middle of the blue tack. Okay everybody, it's time to get your shades on and head outside. Okay, now we're outside, you need to put that sundial somewhere sunny and somewhere it's not going to blow away. The pen should cast a shadow on the clock, so you need to get your other pen and draw a line over that shadow. Label that line with the time, and do this every hour until you have a complete sundial. But what are you going to do to fill all that time? You can enjoy a good book, eat your custard tart. What? It's lunch.
You could take a nap.
What? Don't film this!
Oh, sorry.
Well, that was cool. But why does it work? Well, the shadows appear to move because the sun stands still whilst the Earth rotates. Night falls when we rotate so far that we're facing away from the sun. It looks like we're all out of time, but I'll see you again next week.